President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill.
Abusia Honorable Sam George ena watine nkano na ninyina efa anti-LGBTQ bill a ehun sem ayebubrudwa se otwe hu nwi ewo Ghana mamu ne mrahye a yehu ne pumasibre na yenyina ebeka ya enu a ena representative video bi edema wa Reverend Intim Fojuo na ochechiri mu kwan a Ghana Education Service ene NDC impanyifo afa kwati kwan bi so ede sa LGBT hu nsensemu yi ewura yadesuamu a se yanhweye na yansechire anka sede esese ye kana ebetimi ede ohaw abre oman edachi na sansem no ebeto odwa no yenyina enim se oba Ghana one of the MPs na omoye sa bill hu dede pa abra no mo opposition Honorable Samni George na eno ana nsemtwofo atoche no se wa ana wo opposition uye dede bebre se na nando ana onsan bill ana wakojiska ene nsensem adan na waban ba ye de muntimi ensan bill no se John Dramani Mahama na nkasa enim se bill no se wansan a ono omana asumdwe ne ekina nso ka ho bi obetete ne saa kosi se obesan bill no na nsemu a odi atudwa enya asem ketua chairman abronye DC nso edibi APP saa nsem nso ono nso yi nkrata bi e kyerese NDC amonye koi akoji siska twitwi de bi ntina saa bill omo mpese omo de omo san be hyase na omo asan na oman yetimi enya yefa ahudi yangibre na yenkoti nsem no munchi.
President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill. What the president said to the BBC was in response to why President Akufo-Addo has not signed the bill. And he said to them, look, what you, President Akufo-Addo, should have done, instead of rejecting service of the bill, was to have received the bill, stated what his displeasure is with the bill, which is what the Constitution says. The Constitution in Article 1067, President Mahama in his response to the BBC was referring to the Constitution of Ghana. Article 1067 says that when he gets to the president, he must within 14 days indicate whether he would sign or not sign. If he chooses not to sign, he then has to bring it back to Parliament and then states in the memo to Parliament the reasons why he's refusing to sign and add the recommendations to remedy those challenges he sees. Otherwise, within the 14 days, he can refer it within 30 days. He can refer it to the Council of State, who have 30 days to give him advice. That's what President Mahama was saying in that BBC interview. He was not saying that he now has to read the bill. President Mahama has read the bill. It's because he's read the bill that he told the clergy that when he becomes president, he will sign the bill, because President Mahama has no problem with anything in the bill. That explanation he was given was basically what the president should have done as a lawyer in line with our constitution, because the president's decision not to have service of the bill on him is unconstitutional and shows you how reckless and irresponsible.
Reverend Intim Fojuo Edibetudwa say a National Council for Curriculum and Assessment NACA ade niama bia kwa abonten a ekire say lesbianism, gayism ne ne keka ho no wo mo ba be kire e wo second circle institution na wo hwe curriculum na akwa abonten na aban estate no wom epefe say ekwana ye befa so akire same sex bema eni bema na e wo school mu oba ene oba na e wo school mu ni nyina e wo curriculum no mu a wo mo ba be kire na ebra Reverend Tim Fojuo e postu ade no ena the National Council aswoya ehwe curriculum so e de release e ba abonten enora na e de betu dwa say manua na edi kan kwa abonten no na eye error no mu take step to withdraw ye nyankra wo kroma ye nyankra e wo kroma na NDC fo no nya o madwen say wo mu ye nipa echen enipa binom ye to man mu ha na 2019 and this year press conference e ebra ye amended the national curriculum and ye di say mu say anidie adolescent ekwana emaya bedru empempensuo bia womo ebedi womo hunni ewo school mu sanso womo ye ma we dey cry for the ladies anidie ani memma no kra no ye kire womo say uduru mpempensuo bia sebe uno ba eno uno ba nyankita hudi a enyin sentimi ba na so wani da so say o pesa ye lawyer ni o pesa ye teacher ni o pesa ye doctor ni o pesa ye engineer o pesa ye hwane a uduru sam pempenso na why you very very careful nyesa ne se nyinsem bi ba behia wa ebema wo education no asai we ye niema ye di shame ewo adolescent stage. And this if we a press conference katre Ghana for say Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo afrase e kire nkora bone niema ewo secondary school and minority then 2020 wo ye press conference say sa curriculum no wo mo nyintum enti aban ni nyimfiri wo meboa monkasa meboa curriculum a eba bonten 2018-2020 ho and nam say ye be kwa elections propaganda and this year yen say ampipi aban afriase a kire nkora bone niema ebi ye gay ekwana nkora be fa so ye gay e was document bia ye bisa o mo say document ben e na kire sa o mo say sa adolescent stage a ye dia sem ekwana bema be hu sai ba bia waduru no ono oba hia nyinsem betima ba ne nyina na enye papa nti yenyim free national curriculum NDC a press conference led by Honorable Haruna Idrisu Ghana ha obi ansachi fasem we 2019 a press conference against adolescent stage practice. Say enya practice papa. Arena ye chire omo. Enya. Say oduru stage we ya, wo no bachi enna de. Mo printing manual. A manual na nchire say. Me ye tu me kwa me ba fofo say me wo school mu yi. E bia wo class 3. Now wo 17 years, wo 15 years. Hwe ye na wona ba akodin hyiamu a enyinsem betima ba enyinsem ba ebe se usuku o pese ye Roman father hweyie na sam pempenso no wo do ba di agora Roman father no entimi maso o pese ye engineer hweyie wuduru at this age wo ye oba so a wuduru at this age a hwe boys na wo no mu di agora no ma wani na ho nyasa wuntimi ntwe BC Nanado aban MPP aban andam Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe as education minister 2019 ye chance say we and this year press conference and ye did they say ye nyim free wo and no mo de year campaign Ghana ha ekonya 137 Ghana ha it happened it did try. Say enya say wo be ma ba ya ni ada ho say oduru stage we ya onu be ma sia ne ho be dane ana obe fa afro o mo say enya say ka kire nkora no NDC fo e wo Ghana ha say Ghana NDC fo bi no multi social media mo ye nya atwem no me ka kire mo say ye nya atwem ni ba yie NDC mo ye press conference. And this year, we have press conference against adolescent teaching in our schools, you know, and then you are defending this. Now, utia adi asemna obeka yana. Reverend Intim Fadwo eni tro. Because statement na modi aba bonteno e confirm ne wo Intim Fadwo ho. Eti Intim Fadwo eni tro. Because ma confirm on your wakano, no makano wom say, steps are being taken to withdraw the printed version of the old manual from the system. Mpacho, why na the old manual no ekwato system no mo? Na old manual na mo printe aye distribution achama all schools no mo di asem say bemma ne bemma betimada akire o mo kwa na o mbefa so ada mo di asem say oba no oba betima ye supi mo di asem enti lesbian ni gayism na andisi fo mo se na na do danko akofo ado empesa obesan no ene dia mo ba ye manual a distribute manual no afa Christian councillors achi achama schools no achama all Christian schools macha manual no adiama all Christian schools macha manual no adiama all schools at the back door of the Christian Council, at the back door of the Catholic bishops of Ghana. Ache manual no. Na Reverend Tim Ford the alarm no ba ye ya. Afe na mo ba be katre ye Ghana for say. Mo take steps to withdraw the printed manual from the system. Why na the control system? Why na the control system no? Enyamwa. And your National Council for Curriculum Assessment and Assessment, Mona Modicото, a Reverend Tim Ford one at the Quato. Why not printing manuals, no? Manual na a woman say, Bema no Bema timida. Manual na a woman say, Oba no ba timi yes openo. The first question Christian Council to ask the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment say, in the first place, why the printing manual no? A man core system no. A National Council and the government, National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, and the government of Ghana, and a printing Ministry of Education, and a printing manual no at the Kwabonte. Now, so read me as sure said the Christian Council will take time and read the NACA statement of Modeba Bonting and Nora. 13 January 2026, and the release doesn't make sense in the first place. Yeah, can say, Modi manual bia ba bontia. Yeah, catch them with some Modi manual bia ba bontia. Yeah, actually, kwana. A man in Marbe Faswada. What the man will be about Bontia. Actually, Kwana Memani Mema Bafaswayere, Ada. And I'm going to release Yaba. And I'm all Kase. Near Dikan, me ready. Or say it is essential to clarify that the National Curriculum and Teacher Support Materials serve distinct functions. The curriculum is the official policy document defining the mandatory areas of study for learners. In contrast, teacher manuals are supplementary instructional resources designed to provide pedagogical guidelines to teachers. These manuals do not constitute the curriculum itself, and their use is optional. And their use is optional. More two manual. You were teachers manual and the curriculum manual. And she said, teacher manual no. It won't meaning say the Catholic bishop is taking note of this release, and more two manuals in the system. One is the teacher manual, and then the NACA manual. Now we are about to catch say a distinct. A biya na jumanko, and you know the use of, and their use is optional. And it's all kokofa. the national curriculum manual na eye ewo honom na se ewom se yenkyere emma yenkyere enkura na omo school mu no wo secondary school no ekwana oba na oba fa so da bema no bema fa so da na maka se ewom kura na eye optional wo sia teacher ni bi o kyere ade wo secondary school na or practice gay usia madam bi o kyere ade wo secondary school na or practice lesbian na se ojina class kyere lesbian ekwana ma ne ma be fa so ada emema ne mema be fa so ada ne etie ne se who hold no responsible enye yie because the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment the release yaba on 13th January 2026 say dear you no near yesterday wom say yenkyere omo na ye kyere ekwana lesbian for practice gay for practice no teacher ni kyere dear you no ye option and teacher ni be ka kyere say opa eno o use emrama no ho kwan say on fan kyere de emra no eno no de na take decision how and you go besane no say opa na or kyere on that or person on kyere eye mo na mama no kwan na yema the Christian community in Ghana tiasie say krata na banja beto abontene nyina say omo ba withdraw sa gay practice and lesbian practice no manual na akwa secondary school ni nyina withdraw no it's a lie. The government is not going to withdraw any manual from the system because muntie hana sem no muntie ni ye na angisi aban wo mu hu pa so mu hu sika wo mu hu angisi aban wo mu hu because release na wo dia ba wo maka no page 2 of the release say steps are being taken to withdraw the printed version of the old manual from the system. No, they are not going to withdraw. Currently, all the schools are using the old manual to teach gayism and lesbianism. I was school more. Now, the withdraw and say this year, I buying IMF through the Ministry of I buying Aqua World Bank. I'm a World Bank yama educational support to the government of Ghana, $200 million. And in the agreement now, the government of Ghana call you know, World Bank the same say, government of Ghana, and kwana and kra, and my schools who Ghanaian students who the lesbian and gay practices no woman flasi entere and until World Bank and government of Ghana $200 million so they support to educational educational support no $200 million conditions ni bia wo ho ne say yem flasi entere gayism and lesbianism in all the various schools. And the man will be a mobile withdraw. Or more can the dada Ghana for because a part of the agreement and untina World Bank for Ama Ghana $200 million. Because of $200 million, a World Bank de Ghana anti. Ya ye manua. See em fan manua no em fan quatradi secondary schools. And on the dahono. Ye tumrani ya chresie government to upgrade selected senior high schools with $200 million World Bank funding and a man one ye the secondary schools and a World Bank so na $200 million no almost say ombetima ye $250 million kura na World Bank for say sa chire no ewiase nyina afriase e chire enti Ghana so ye nchire enuntina abana ye manual a distribute to the all secondary schools because of that $200 million wenti a manual na akono e wom say yenchire nkura no ekwana be manu be ma betima faso ada yenchire nkura no ekwana oba no oba be faso ayere ada enunti because of $200 million ya wo mo de be boa Ghana school semunti enu ntina sa ama no anaba enti aban de krata aba bonten enora ebe ka kire ye say womo take steps and withdraw man no ana akwa system no mu a womo boa because of this $200 million no a condition precedent say yenya man no abia e kan ke hu asem yenya man no abia e kan lesbian hu asem in all our various second circle institutions enu nta man no anoko no enti omaka so mba withdraw womo boa se say no ababe daddy say gay and lesbian actually course was secondary school because books no e kodada into ontim fodo eni tro tietia